What is up, people from the internet? It's Dan from Vtec Therapy, and I got some bad news. So I didn't want to do this video, but I feel like it's time. I finally got everything sorted, and I feel like it's time to get this project going again. And it saddens me to say this. Somebody hit my car while I had it parked at my workplace. It was a hit and run. The dude hit my car and had no regards of the damages he caused and just dipped out and didn't show any cares in the world. Luckily, I installed a dash cam in my vehicle maybe about a month ago before the incident, and I was able to capture the whole incident. And I'll play the footage for you guys of my RSX getting violated. Here it is. Yeah, so that happened, and I haven't even owned the car for more than 2 months, and I'm a very proud owner of this RSX. It was such a clean RSX. There was no damages, maybe minor dings here, and you know, this happens. So I'm like, it really it bums you out. You know, you can't have nice things. So of course, this is the reason why I haven't posted any videos, just simply because I was just too sad to post anything. Like, my motivation to keep working on the car was kind of just shut down for the moment. When I first saw the car, it just always broke my heart to see the car hit like that. Like, it sucked. And here's a clip of the actual damages. Make sure it's on. So here is the accident. Okay, so here's the hit. As you could tell in the footage, the dude hit me here, but then he just kept driving through the car pretty much. So it pushed over from the fender over to the door, and you could tell there that it dented the fender. And then I believe in person, you can't really tell on the footage, but in person the door is a bit dented as well. So I don't know how the repair shops are gonna fix that. Honestly, I'm starting to think that this is an easy fix, but since insurance is paying for this, I'm gonna just take it to the shop and have them fix it. But yeah, here's another angle here so you could see a little more of the dents. But yeah, man, it makes a difference, man. It makes the car look so bad. But it's not all bad. Because of the dash cam that I installed, I was able to finally catch the driver that hit my car. It's a long story, but I pretty much based off of the footage that I got with my dash cam, it gave me a lot of information. So I went all CSI, figured out the car model, figured out pretty much the estimated year of the car model. I actually was able to see the driver. So I was able to look at him, see what's going on, and because of that information, I was able to catch the driver that hit my car. And the reason why I had to do this is because the police wasn't really much help. They really didn't help me out much. I started the report and I sent them the footage, and they weren't able to get any information. But once I got all this information and I figured out, you know, that he worked in the same mall strip that I work at, and I figured out that exactly what shop he worked in. It just took me a couple of times, maybe like 2 weeks, to finally get in contact with this person, with this individual. And yeah, I pretty much confronted him. I didn't, you know, I wasn't mad or anything. I just wanted his insurance so he could pay for the damages through his insurance. And that's exactly what happened. I went into the store, spoke to him, and got his insurance. So I finally got the check to repair my car. So within this week, this week or two, my car's gonna be in the shop getting fixed. So moral of the story, protect yourself and your car with a dash cam. I can't believe people really don't drive with dash cams. I feel like everybody should have a dash cam, because it saved my butt. I would have been paying out of pocket to fix these damages, which kind of sucks and it's kind of unfair. I'll actually leave a link below to the exact dash cam that I have. It's definitely best bang for buck dash cam that I was able to find based off of my research. And I mean, I was able to get the guy that hit my car, so I feel like it's worth every penny. So I'll leave a link there. If you guys are interested, just click it and get yourself a dash cam and protect yourself. All right, guys, that pretty much does it. I'll be posting a before and after on the repairs on my Instagram, and you'll see it right here. But yeah, please leave a like and subscribe, and also leave me a comment below letting me know what you think about this whole situation. And that pretty much does it. Thank you and peace out.